If you're wondering how you can purchase stocks in Jamaica, then want to know more, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get that done. The first thing you should do is open an investing account with a brokerage of your choice. You have brokers like NCB Capital Markets, Sagicor Investments, JMMB, Proven Wealth, and others. You can find a list of brokers on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. Opening an investing account is just like opening a regular savings account. The minimum requirement varies for opening an account. For example, NCB Capital Markets, if you have an account with them, you don't need a minimum balance to get started. So here's a little trick. Say for instance you only have $2,000. The minimum requirement to open a savings account is $2,000. So here's what you can do. Open a savings account and then you open an equity account, which costs nothing. For JMMB, the starting balance to open an account is $10,000. So now that your equity account is open and you have a JCSD number, Google JTrader Pro, select the first link and select register. Fill out the required information. Be sure to take note of your username and password as well as your security question, because this is what you'll need to log into the website. Click continue, review the information and submit. So accept the terms and agreement and proceed. So you'll receive an email to activate your account. Now sign in with your username. Provide the answer to your security question. You're going to select Add JCSD account number. Fill out the required information. You can have multiple JCSD account numbers, so you can name your account according to the broker which you open your account. Fill out your name, choose the broker, and also specify the amount you want to fund your account with. Also note that your equity account number will differ from your JCSD number in most cases, so ensure money is in your equity account before you do a request. And choose your currency type and you'd select continue. What you can do to speed up this funding request most of the time is contact your broker or your financial advisor and let them know you have sent in a request. Let's go back to the account overview. So once you submit your account, it will be in a pending status here. Once it is approved, then your account will be shown here with a status of approved. So I'm going to continue the rest of the demonstration with my active account. Once you have activated your account, you should be able to log in with your credentials. So initially your account will be in a pending state. Once it's approved, you will see approved here. So note, currently there is no money on my account, so now I'm going to do a funding request. Bear in mind that the minimum that you can request from your broker varies. For NCB Capital Markets, the minimum is $50,000. However, if you're purchasing the stock directly from their platform, you don't have to have $50,000 in your account. So that's one of the advantages of using like the NCB platform itself to make a purchase. And the same goes for JMMB. So you'd have to find out what is the minimum requirement for the broker that you selected. So select funding, select your stock account, select your currency and the amount you want to request. I'll pause the video here and resume once my account is funded. So my account is now funded with $50,000, so it's now time for us to purchase a stock. There are multiple routes you can go to buy a stock. You can go trade or you can go to a place order, but I'm going to select the markets option. So if you scroll down, you'll see markets. You'll have the option to choose from the main market, junior market, US market, and the bond market. I'm going to select main market, and I'm going to look for a stock that is popular, or a company that is popular. Let's look for NCB. To find the meaning of the symbols, you can use the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. So if you notice, you see buy orders and sell orders. This is the queue that keeps track of the buyers and sellers. If you notice, the best bid and the best ask have a direct relationship with these queues. So let's select buy. Select your account. And if you want to change the stock, you can always change the symbol from here. Select your order type. I'm going to go for a limit. The number of shares I want to purchase, 10. And with limit order, you specify the price that you want to buy. So currently the best bid for NCB is at 143 and the best asking is at 144. So if I want to get in the trade like immediately, then I would go for 144. But I can also join the queue at 143 or 130, wherever I want to make that buy. So let's say I want to buy NCB. If it goes to 130, then I'll put 130 here. And I can set an expiry date. Good for the day means that at the end of the trading day, it will be cancelled. Good till cancel means that the order will still be there until I cancel it. So let's do a good until cancel. Review. Now this is a summary of the transaction. These are the fees associated with making a purchase. Hit confirm. Hit OK. So now you can see that my available balance is reduced. In order to see the order that you have just placed, you can go to trade, view orders, and it should be here in a pending state. You can always edit, change your price, or cancel the request. In order to sell a stock, the process would be similar. You can go to place order, select your account, select sell, and the stock symbol you own. Type in this stock symbol that you want to sell, the order type, market limit, quantity of shares you want to sell, and the price that you want to sell it. So currently JMB is approximately $32 per share. So let me see. I want to sell a share when it reaches $40 per share. Time of expiry, go down until cancel. Review request. And these are the costs associated with buying and selling. I agree. Confirm. Thank you for your order. Okay. Now let's view the orders, and you should see it there. It is very important that you take the time out and learn about investing. You can start with a book called The Intelligent Investor. If you're wondering where you can find information on stocks, the first place to start is with the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Here you can find the quotes and find the meaning of the symbols. If you hover over it, you'll see the name. and you can go to the news section and find company related news such as financial statements. You can also find research on stocks on websites like Mayberry Investment. And a good thing to do is compare research on stocks and see what the analysts are saying. You can also use the JMMB website. Another one is also Victoria Mutual. As you can see, most of these brokers publish similar information, so what you can do is always do a compare and contrast and the information they put out, and the one that you like or the one that best suit you, then you can make an informed decision based on that.